Hey guys, Brian Bear Bull Traders here. It is June the 6th, Wednesday. I think I said May yesterday. Skipping ahead back a month. Anyway, I had two trades that I was looking at in the room this morning. Pre-market, I announced I was going to look at YY for opening range breakdown and AMBA. YY seemed to set up nicely in terms of the previous days. It was running up a bit. I like that because there's people that are long and they're going to be trapped when something gaps down like YY did. So unfortunately, it just didn't behave very well pre-market. It really started to sell off hard into the open, which I didn't like, and that tends to lead to a pretty choppy open is what I find. And also the spreads on it were pretty wide, and so I really didn't want to hit a market order and with the way it was behaving especially. So I decided just to watch AMBA, and AMBA just worked out fine because 2 minutes in it just started to break below my 43.80 target level that I was going to short it at. People in the room, I think one person had asked where I'm coming up with these numbers. 4380 was this level here roughly. I mean, it's roughly a number. I just looked at the pre-market and look where there's support in the pre-market. So it seemed to be some decent support here. It bounced and then came back, tested it again, and then kind of went higher. So I knew if it broke this level, or I was fairly confident if it broke this level, that it was going to continue to the downside. So that's where I come up with my number. It's usually based on the pre-market low, or it might have gotten lower back in way earlier, but I'm looking at recent pre-market action. Sort of, this is around 9 o'clock in the morning, 6 o'clock my time on the West Coast. So anyway, I took the entry at 43.80, like I said I would, and I think I got out of it mostly just around 43.10ish, 43.08. Could have held it a little bit longer. It's always one of the things I tend to do. I tend to bail a little too early because it did drop below 43. I think it went down to sort of 42.50ish, which is, I left some money on the table. It's not the first time. Anyway, that was the one trade I did that Andrew didn't. I know Andrew covered a lot of the other trades. So that's it. Thursday, we will see you in the morning. I hope everyone has a good evening. I'm off to do some yoga. Bye for now.